jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Guess what? It's Christmas time! So, in this video, I would like to share with you few ideas on how to host Christmas online with family, friends, or even with office teammates and also schools. Virtual Christmas parties happen with web conferencing softwares like Zoom, Gmeet. Hence, the very first step is to send an invitation to your friends and family and also to the students with a meeting link. You can also design free invitation cards with the help of online softwares like Canva, where you can find lots of templates to create customized invitations where you can actually set the tone of the festival. In this invite, you can also add things like date, time, dress code, things to get along during the celebration to make it more interesting for the guests. First, let the guests choose a special corner in their house for Christmas decorations. Share with the guests few ideas and also the theme to decorate the room and the Christmas tree. Be ready for the Christmas carols playlist for the party. Don't forget to go online with Christmas props like a Santa hat, reindeer horns, angel wings, scarves, mittens and things like this to get in the actual festive vibe. Once all the guests join the party, here starts the first thing for the Christmas celebration. The very first idea is bake a cake together. You can all together bake a cake, listening to the Christmas carols and start the celebrations by cutting the cake all together on the day of Christmas, wishing each other Merry Christmas. And the second idea is Secret Santa online gift exchange. This is a very traditional Christmas game which is coming from ages that we get a surprise gift from Santa Claus. So how you can host this online? Now ask all the guests to share their wish list, and once that is done, as a host you can pick up one sheet and inform the guests about whom to be gifted. Make sure the gifts are delivered to the respective person well in advance. You can use online gift cards from platforms like Amazon, or also you can use some nice gifts where you can get it delivered directly to your friend's doorstep. On the day of the Christmas party, make sure you have those gifts with you. Now it's time to open the gift and guess who is your Secret Santa. The next idea is the game Scavenger Hunt. In this game, the host is supposed to make a list of items like say an yellow t-shirt, a blue water bottle, a wine glass, or some candies or a wrapped gift, some candles, or maybe some bells or Santa Claus hat, anything. So make a list of things, and in the online party you can ask the guests to get all those things by keeping a timer. The one who collects most items within the given time will be the winner. And the next game is the one thing. In this game, guests should choose any one person of their choice and tell what is that one thing they would like to steal from that particular person. So this is a very interesting game during the Christmas. And the last thing is Christmas movie marathon. Make a list of Christmas movies, and now it's time to have a fine dine watching all the beautiful Christmas movies. Here are a list of movies which you can actually watch during the Christmas time all together. Now I think you all got an idea about how to celebrate Christmas online. Hope you have really liked my video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Merry Christmas to one and all!